Hi creatives, welcome back to heisapro. This tutorial is a continuation of how to manipulate objects using the edit title in the menu bar. Without further delay, let's get started. We are going to explore repeat, and this feature allows you to create multiple copies of an object in a specific pattern or arrangement, which are spaced evenly apart. It also enables you to repeat certain properties of an object to other objects. As always, we start by drawing an object. Let's now copy and paste the object. Check out the previous video on how to copy and paste objects. We will now go to Edit, then select Repeat Duplicate. And this creates another duplicate of the object. A faster way to repeat this action is by using the shortcut keys Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Pressing Ctrl+R multiple times creates multiple copies of the object in a specific pattern and arrangement. Let's see how the repeat feature can be applied when performing the transformation operations. You select the object and translate it to another location. Then you go to Edit, then select Repeat Move. And this repeats the action of moving the object to a different location. Next, if you scale the object and press Ctrl+R multiple times, we see that the object is repeatedly scaled uniformly in a specific pattern. The same rule applies for sharing and rotation. Let's now discuss how to repeat the duplicate of a scaled object. To uniformly scale an object, you hold on to the Shift key on your keyboard. Now, while uniformly scaling the object, you can right-click until a 4 squared symbol appears, and this indicates that you like to duplicate the scaled object. So let's go to Edit, then select Repeat Duplicate. And this creates another duplicate of the scaled object. Pressing Ctrl+R continuously produces more copies of the scaled duplicate. Let's now look at how certain properties of an object are repeated to other objects. So let's give the rectangle a red fill. We now select the ellipse, then go to Edit and select Repeat Fill. And this repeats the red fill of the rectangle to the ellipse. We could also adjust the outline properties. Select the ellipse and press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. This also applies to the transformation operations. Lastly, it is important to note that it is only the last performed action that gets repeated. To understand better, let's draw multiple objects. Let's now duplicate the bigger object. We can now select the smaller object and press Ctrl+R. We observe that the objects are repeated in the new location with respect to their initial positions. So guys, that will be all for this tutorial. Thanks for your time and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.